Hello everyone, I am Mukesh. In this video, I am going to show you how you can create an EC2 instance and how you can connect to it. So in the management console, if you are new, first you have to search for EC2 service in the search. Search it and click on it. This is EC2 Management Console, and here you can select instances here. After selecting instances, you can, if you want to launch any new instances, you have to select this launch instance. In here, you can mention your compute resources. You can set your compute resources here, like how much CPU you want, how much RAM you want, and also you can select your operating system. So if you want Ubuntu system or Windows operating system or Mac OS, so anything you want, you can select it from here. First, it will show you you can give a name to your instance. It is an option. If you want to skip it, you can skip that one. And if you come down here, you can select an operating system. In Amazon, it is called Amazon Machine Image, that is AMI. So there are a lot of free tier eligible AMIs are there. You can select any one of them according to your choice. Right now, I'm selecting Ubuntu operating system, and it is command free tier eligible. And if you scroll down, you can select an instance type here, and under free tier, only T2 micro, and in some region where T2 micro is not there, you can select T3 micro also. That comes under free tier. If you want to select more virtual CPUs and more RAM, you can always select any one of it, and it will cost you. And this screen also show you how much it is going to cost you. So, for example, let's say T3 small, and we have selected here Ubuntu operating system that comes under Linux. So for Linux, it will be 0.0208 USD per hour. So you can select any of the instance type according to your need. But if you are practicing, free tier eligible is perfect for you. And here you can select a key pair. This can be used to log in into your EC2 instance after it has been created. So let's select. You can select it if you have any previous key pair present, like this, or you can create a new key pair if you are new, and if you want to create a new pair, so you can create that. So let's name it as EC2. So it will create a key pair name with the name of EC2. And create a key pair. So it will download a PEM file, that is private key file, into your downloads folder. And if you are new, you can set it as default like this one. It will create a new security group, and it will allow SSH from anywhere. from the anywhere from the internet. And here you can configure your storage in the free type. 30 GB of EBS volume comes under free type. So 8 GB is fine for me. So I'm leaving it as a default. Now I'm launching an instance. So that launching instance has been success. Now let's go to instances. Here right now it is showing instance stage is pending. Let's wait it to become the running state. So right now instance state is running. So we can connect it to this EC2 instance. There are several ways to connect to this EC2 instance. Let me show you one by one. First way is to connect by EC2 instance connect. So we can open this EC2 instance in the browser itself. So after clicking on connect here, first option will be EC2 instance connect. So let's connect to it. It will open in the new tab. So we connected to this EC2 instance. You can see. Let's create a file. So I'm creating new.txt. You can see it has been created. Now let's move on to second way of connecting. So here we have SSH client here. You can select this one. And here it will give how you can connect to this instance by SSH. So SSH -I means your identity file that we have created, ec2.pem. We have created this key pair, and this is the username Ubuntu, and at the rate of public DNS address. So let's copy this, and you have to go to your Windows terminal or PowerShell or command prompt. Anything is fine. So we are in downloads folder, and we have downloaded that PEM file into this downloads folder. So you have to open your terminal here only, because we have ec2.pem file is in here. So let's open terminal here. As you can see, it opened in downloads folder. Our terminal opened in downloads folder. So let's connect to it. I have copied our command from browser. Let's paste it. So this is our command to connect to EC2 instance. Click on enter. So for the first time you are connecting to any system, it will ask you, are you sure if you want to connect? So you have to say yes. It will add into no, a non-host file. So you can see this server has been permanently added to the list of non-host. And let's see if our file is present or not. Yes. So this is the new .txt that we have created in the browser. Let's create a new one more file. Let's log out from exit. So I disconnected from this server. Now let me show you one more way. It is actually same way as before, but it is somewhat different. So I am back into my AWS Management Console. I am going to instances. Here, select your instance and copy your public IPv4 address. Let's copy it. And let's move back to our Windows terminal. So we are in Windows terminal and we are right now in downloads folder. And our PIM file, private key is in downloads folder. So let's connect to our instance. So we are using same command only, SSH -a and your PIM file name, that is ec2.pim, and username, that is Ubuntu. If you are using Amazon Linux too, it will be EC2 user. At the rate, here you will paste your public IP address. So it is same as public DNS address. It is the same thing. So if you click on enter, it will again ask you a yes or no question because we have specified new way of connecting. Previously we have used DNS name. Let's say yes. So this IP address has been added to the list of known hosts. Now we have connected to this EC2 server. Now let's do ls here. So you can see this is the file we have created in the when we connected from the browser itself, and this is when we connected to this instance using DNS name, public DNS name. So that is it for this video, guys. So if you have any doubt regarding to this, you can always comment it down, and please subscribe and like and share the video.